welcome back to the channel. And as you saw, I just launched the app, and now we're looking at gas stations in the area as well. Now, keep in mind, this constantly changes depending on your area, city, state, and the time of the day that you log on. Of course, these guys do, meaning the merchants, do run different promos. So as you can see today, if we click on Speedway, for example, let's see what they have going on. So here you have it. They're actually running a promo where you can actually claim this offer for 66 cents, all the way to 76 cents if you do premium, which again, you're basically getting cash back on stuff that you currently already do today, which is everyone who pretty much drives has to get gas for their car. Unless you have an electric car, of course, then, you would benefit from the groceries and restaurants. If you have a gas car, well, guess what? You're going to benefit from groceries, restaurants, and gas. So again, this is just kind of showing you a different time period of some of the promos you can get, and again, all adds up. Right now I'm back to $0 due to the fact that I've cashed out, and that's pretty much it. It's just a very easy app, and if you come in here, here's my code. If you want to save yourself an additional 15 cents, the next time you fill up, it's as easy as entering that code in there, and basically a discount on gas. I don't think it can get any easier than this. No purchases. You don't have to do anything really other than take the code, put it into the app, which is under your profile, and that's pretty much it. You start enjoying the savings. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Drop a thumbs like if you already use the app. If not, give them a try. Again, who knows, you might save quite a bit of money on the stuff that you're currently already doing. And see you guys next time.